Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET. Today is a continued work from the previous design, which I have attached the top to the skirt to make this beautiful maxi dress a perfect dress for the summertime. So to do the top part, you will need to crochet the extra motif pieces. So I have done like 1, 2, 3 pieces, and with the small motif flower, so 3 of them on each side to make the straps. To connect the small motifs on the big motifs here, you start from 7 double crochets on this motif and you will end up at the 7 double crochets on the other side. They are all the same connecting technique, and then 3 chains. Always use 3 chains to connect by doing the zigzag, the same as the skirt part. You have like 3 different big motifs here, and you have the straps. So I want to turn to the back side. This is on the right side. Turn the back side like this, and then you need to fold this to the middle part like this, and then bring the small flowers motif, and you need to use the 3 chains to connect. So do this for both sides, reconnecting the yarn and use the 3 chains to connect. 1, 2, 3. Here's the middle of the 7 double crochets. 3 chains. Go back to the other side. Get back to this side. It would be at the corner of the small motifs. Chain 1, then cut off the yarn. So you will have, it's like the armhole like this on one side. This is the size that we have done. Like this. So I will do the other side as well before we connect the top part to the skirt part. Alright, I have done the top. So you can see here's the armholes for both sides. Now we need to bring the skirt to connect. The skirt here, I haven't put the strings on the back, so you can't actually joining this part here. Try to balance the size. Here you have 3 big motifs, but on the skirt part you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the small motifs. So I will need to put the stitch markers. Start from the middle part of the 3. That would be 3 on the other side. Here would be the middle part of the top. So 1, 2, 3, 3 middle. You can count the loops, like how many loops or how many mesh here you have, and then you just connecting them with the middle part. So try to equal them like this. This would fit like SML. For XLs you need to add more of the motifs and try to balance the size, the stitches, the length of the 2 pieces like this. I will connect these 2 pieces with these 3 chains, so the same techniques as the other part, and then I will get back to check how the dress looks like. At the end of the row, you can chain 1, cut off the yarn for weave in. Now let's check the work. The top part and the skirt part are connected. Here would be the front of the work. It looks something like this. So you have the 2 armholes here. I will leave it like this unless you want to do the chains. If you want to do the chains, you can just go for like single crochet on each of the chains if you want to. But for me, I would leave it like this. And on the back side, here's the back side of the dress. You will have like a big opened part here. I have, as from my previous design, it's the skirt part, it's up to here. And then you can do the chains. But for this, I have the long string with the tassels. The length of this string is around 1.5 meters. So what I would do, I'm just gonna go do the crisscross from the top part here. Do exactly the same as the skirt part, but on the skirt I have done it up to this part here. On this dress I will go up to the middle part of the back. Here we are, guys. This is the complete dress. Basically, I have continued working from the previous tutorial, which is the crochet skirt. I have added the top part by adding the few more motifs, adding the longer strings on the back part. Here's the complete summer dress. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.